This is a brand new 2013 Volkswagen Touareg. This SUV has an 8-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter V6, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include an intercooled turbocharger, a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a parking camera, a heated steering wheel, a sunroof, heated seats, and xenon headlights. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a rear spoiler, front fog lights, traction control, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, heated side view mirrors, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Thank you for considering Payne Mission for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership at 2003 East Expressway 83 in Mission.